Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the unboxing, test and review of the Surge 4-in-1 Universal Braided Cable, which is from Daily Objects. So very long name, so I'm just saying it in short form. So it's basically a 4-in-1 cable from Daily Objects, which actually is a universal cable. Once you have this, you don't need any other cable to charge or transfer data and any of those things. So we'll be going ahead unboxing this and then talking more about it. Let's go ahead, start with the unboxing. Okay, unbox. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. So this is the cable. So which this one has 4 ports. So it's actually two type C cables. On one side you have a lightning adapter and on the other side you have a type A adapter. Now the build quality on this is quite good. This is actually made with PVC, aluminum and silicon. So it's a combination of a lot of things. So it's a nice hard PVC here, and then little PVC over here, and then the silicon here. You have braided, you have nylon here, you have rubber here, so a lot of combination. So very good build quality. Now if you close this, it's actually quite secure, it's not going to move, and you can hear that nice click. So very good build quality. Now the braided material over here is quite good. I would have liked a different color though. I would like a red color or something, but I didn't find that on the website. So right now you get this black one. So very good build quality. This is 1 meter long. It supports fast charging up to 100 watts. So in the type C you get 100 watts of fast charging, and in your lightning port you get 20 watts of fast charging. So that's quite good. It supports 480 mbps of data transfer. So this is a charge, sync and transfer cable. It does everything. So that's it. Let's keep this aside. So let's go ahead test the charging first. So I have this phone which supports the fold, which supports fast charging. Now I have this power bank which actually supports 18 watts on your regular type A port, and from the type C, the PD charging, it supports till 33 watts. So let's see how it works. So let's start with the type A first. Let's connect this here and connect the type C here. Now with regular 18 watts of fast charging, it will say fast charging, it will not go beyond that, so it should say just fast charging now. Okay, so it says fast charging, so it says 91%, 14 minutes until fully charged. So good, fast charging is supported. Now let's connect type C, remove this from here, connect it to the PD port, and now this one will connect it here. Now it should go beyond this, so it supports up till 22 watts. So if it goes to 22 watts, it will say super fast charging instead of fast charging. Let's see if it says that. Now you see those double lightning, that means it's going to do super fast charging, and it already said super fast charging, so it is supporting 22 watts. So it does support fast charging on these devices. Let me just show you iPhone also, if the port works fine. Okay, let's see the iPhone also. Okay, charging the iPhone also properly. So no issues with charging. Let's keep them aside. Now let's test something else. Let's test the data transfer. So let me connect this to my Surface Pro. Okay, I'll connect this here. Now let's connect a phone. Let's connect the fold itself. Okay, so it detected the Z fold. Now I'll go in that, and you see it's showing the phone here. So it works fine. Data transfer, charging, everything works fine, no issues with it. So this is actually an all-rounder. So you can use this for charging your phone, you can use this for transferring data from devices. So you can, if you want to transfer it from iPad to an iPhone, you can do that because you got type C and this over here. So all the scenarios that you can think of, it will work. The only scenario it won't work is lightning to lightning, but then that's not supported from Apple. So even if they had that, it wouldn't work. So anyway, so it supports everything. So it's an all-rounder for around 700 and something. This is a really good option. So you just have to keep one cable with you. That's it. You don't have to carry 2-3 cables, and with one cable you are sorted. So if you like the cable, I will be putting the link below. You can go ahead, purchase that from the Amazon link. And if you want to see the same video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have 2 other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.